I am Prashanth Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Social Critic. In the Social Science Revision series, today let us discuss about Indian land resources. So another important lesson. So here Indian land resources. What is land use or land utilization or land use pattern? So land use is the distribution of land for different uses such as forestry, cultivation, pastures, etc. This is land use. Okay. And here in this lesson, another important, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the tilling of the soil for raising food crops and raw materials needed by human beings. So that is agriculture. Okay. So this is one mark question. And next, importance of agriculture. Definitely we have to say what is the importance of agriculture. Main occupation of the people of India, more than 60-70% they are depending on agriculture, and which provide national income and foreign exchange, so like that it is there, and which provide food and foreign, and also which provide raw materials to the industries, agro-based industries. So these are the important points from them. And types of agriculture, which are the different types of agriculture, that is another important one. And here mainly subsistence farming. And subsistence farming is divided into two, that is shifting farming and sedentary farming. Yeah. And then intensive farming, commercial farming, mixed farming, plantation farming, dry farming, humid farming, and irrigation farming. These are the different types of farming. Let us see in each important point. What is subsistence farming? Important question. One more question. What is subsistence farming? Production of crops is consumed by the farmer and his family, leaving a small portion for sale is called subsistence farming. Two types, shifting and sedentary. Okay. And intensive farming. What is intensive farming? A large amount of capital and labor are applied per unit of land is called intensive farming. And sometimes in the multiple choice, they will ask like this. Raising two or more crops in the same land is called as dash. Common mistake the students they will do, raising two or more crops. So immediately they will write mixed farming. Please note this one. It is not mixed farming, it is intensive farming. Raising two or more crops in the same land is called intensive farming. Okay, don't confuse it. And then commercial farming. Crops grown for market purpose. Crops grown for sale. So that is commercial farming. Mixed farming is different. So what is mixed farming? Another important one. Cultivation of crops and livestock rearing together is called as mixed farming. Here mixed means not growing different types of crop together. With the cultivation of crops, livestock rearing is called as mixed farming. And plantation farming, cultivation of a single crop on large estate for market is called as plantation farming. Okay. Dry farming, the areas which are getting scanty rainfall or the absence of irrigation, in such areas dry farming is used. And humid farming, cultivation of crops in areas which receives sufficient rainfall and growing crops without the help of irrigation. Only by the help of rainfall, not using any irrigation. So such cultivation is called as humid farming. And irrigation farming, the name itself says growing crops with the help of irrigation. So these are the different types of irrigation, important one. Next, crop seasons. Very important. Crop season, one more question comes from this one. There are three crop seasons are there: Kharif season, Rabi season, and Zaid crop season. And what is Kharif season? Crops grown during the rainy season, onset of monsoon. So that is Kharif season. Rabi, post-monsoon season, sowing in October, November, and harvest in February, March. So that is Rabi. Zaid, in our textbook it is given like this: between Kharif and Rabi season, it is called as Zaid season, or it is a summer season. Actually, between Kharif and Rabi, no summer season comes. It is between Rabi and Kharif, but in the textbook it is given like that. In the exam you write like that to get the mark. And so major crops. Here, what are the conditions required for the cultivation of some crops they will ask, especially paddy, wheat and sugarcane you have to learn. There how much temperature necessary, which type of soil necessary. So this is important. And in my video, the chart I made and I gave everything. And horticulture, another one. What is horticulture? The intensive cultivation of fruits, vegetables, flower, medicinal and aromatic plants is called as horticulture. And another one, floriculture. The cultivation of flower for commercial purpose is called as floriculture. So here, 1 mark and 2 mark questions are coming. Long answer questions very rare, not coming. So this is about Indian land resources. Understood, I hope. So wish you all the best. Thank you.